G'day YouTube, I am back. Today we're going to do another cooking video. We've got some crabs again. I went out yesterday with my mate Tong, the giant schlong, and we caught ourselves a whole heap of blue swimmers. I've already cleaned mine up, ready to go. I've got some milk, some rice flour and some chilli because I like my chilli. Bunsen burners on, oil's heating up, and yeah. Let's get into it. I'll show you how it's done. It's going to be a deep fried crab dish. First thing I'm going to do is get some of this rice flour. That'll go in my mixing bowl. Maybe a bit more. Throw a bit of chilli in that. Yeah, that'll do. A bit of a mix around. Maybe a bit more chilli. Yep, half a jar. Beautiful. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is prep the crab. So these have already been cleaned and they've just been halved. I'm just going to take the ends off the legs here because I don't necessarily want them. They're not going to cook too well anyway. I'm also going to crack these claws. Beautiful. One done. Look at that beautiful white flesh. Isn't that great? Yeah, it's going to taste pretty good. You can leave these ends of the legs on if you want. It's not going to do any harm. Nice, quick, easy dish to prepare, this one. Rightio. Next thing we're going to do is dip these crab pieces in a bit of milk, and then we're going to go in that flour mixture. Beautiful. Might even do a bit of double dipping. Lovely. Nice simple dish, this one. Anyone can do it, even you. The good thing about deep frying these crabs is the shell and that goes nice and crisp, a little bit like pork crackle. So for those of you that are put off crabs by how finicky it can be to get the meat out of them, I would suggest giving this a go. Just deep fry them. They'll come up a treat, and it doesn't take long. Alright, so that's all that done and dusted now. All we've got to do is drop these suckers in our oil. I reckon that'll be hot enough by now. It can, yeah, beautiful. It can fizz up a bit. Like that. Bit of moisture coming out of the crabs. I'm going to double fry mine because they don't absorb as much oil that way. And I'll come up beautiful and crispy. Alright, so by pulling these out, we'll let that oil get back up to temperature, and we'll give them a another juice in there. So they look pretty good already, don't they? Okay. Nice and quick and easy.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright, so that's pretty much done. I'm just going to throw some chips in here, cook them up, then I'll take in, plate it up and give you a look. Alright, so some of you said you wanted to see the final product after my first cooking video, so yeah, look, there you have it, some chips and some crab. Let's tuck in, give it a whirl. Alright, I did say that you don't need to peel it. It's a little bit like pork crackle and stuff like that, so yeah, with the ends cut off the leg, you can just eat the whole thing. It's bloody great. Nothing like fresh crab. Great. Alright, anyone can do this, people, so get in there and give it a go yourself. It's a piece of fish. You saw how quick it was, and yeah, it tastes really good. It's not spicy. Probably could have had more chilli in it. If you're not a chilli fan, you can leave that out, but highly recommend it. Fresh crab. Home cooked, deep fried, it's the way to go. Ew. Mm.